What is up guys, my name is Nicholas and today we're going to be having a look at sky replacements in Photoshop. So we're going to open up the images we want to merge together. Then we're going to click on open and there you have two separate images. If you want to click select and mask. We're going to go to the first tool, which is the smart mask, and we're going to mask out everything we do not want to be replaced. And then we're going to click on the refine edges tool, which is the second one. We're going to brush out the little tiny details that have not been included yet. As soon as this is done, we can play around with the feather and the contrast a little bit. What it's going to do, it's going to make the mask a little sharper or less sharp, however you want to call it. And everything we still need to do is drag the other picture onto the image. Hold shift to have the image placed in the center of the image. And then hit Command T to make the image a little bigger or smaller, whatever you want to do. And just put the layer into place. And then just drag layer 1 behind the background. And boom, you have successfully replaced the sky in Photoshop, just as easy as this. So this is basically all you need to know about sky replacements in Photoshop. It's just as easy as this. It literally takes 2 minutes to do. It's super easy, and if this video helped you out, then please like and subscribe for more tutorials in the future, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.